formal letter writing. Now
This
we
call
have
is now being recorded.
and now we have to complete our grammar. So y'all have completed kinds of sentences, y'all have completed subject and predicate, y'all have completed subject verb agreement. Now the next lesson we are going to take is articles. Okay, so I will present my screen and I will present the lesson on articles. One second, where is it gone? It's being presented.
Ma'am, your screen.
Yeah, it'll come
Yes.
just now, better. Now listen, all of y'all. Do you all remember what is articles? Do you all remember what is articles? Yes or no? Do you
Yes.
all remember what is articles? Girls, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
all, okay? Okay. Now let me just refresh with what we about articles. Let me tell you. Now a and the are articles. A and the. Now before we begin, just listen to the explanation carefully. Okay, so a and the. Now a and we use when there is a singular noun. There's one thing, then we use a or an. We say a pencil. Okay, when you're talking to somebody also, I bought a pencil. You don't say I bought one pencil. One pencil is also correct, but it is better if you use a pencil. Okay, because that is grammatically more correct. So if you say a pencil, when it's a singular and only one, then we say a bird, we say a bat, a hat, a cat, a unicorn. Okay, now remember, that is when you're talking about one thing that is singular and it's a noun, you use a. In the same way, you use an also. But an you use only when the words begin with a vowel. Now, vowel are A, E, I, O, U. All of you must be knowing that. Yes or no? All of you know the
Yes,
vowels.
ma'am.
So when you take out the A, E, I, O, U from the alphabets, the rest of the alphabets, what are they called? They are called consonants. What are they called? Consonants. So
Consonant.
any word beginning with a consonant for B, C, D, E is a vowel. Then F, G, H, all these are consonants. Only A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So remember that any word beginning with a consonant will have a, and any word beginning with a vowel has an, a and an. That is, and it should be only singular one. But there are certain cases when even if it's beginning with H, it is not a vowel, but still it begins with H. That means the sound is like a O or a U or something. That's why using an. Okay, for example, we say an hour. Okay, HOUR, we don't say hour. Hour, we don't say
Because
hour.
H is silent.
H is silent, and secondly, it sounds like an R. Okay, it doesn't sound like H. In the same way, honest. Okay, when you say honest, the sound is like a O, H is silent, and the sound is like a O, so we say an honest man. Okay, suppose I say a one eyed bird. One eyed. Now, one, it begins with O. But when I say one, it doesn't sound like O or it doesn't sound like any other thing except W. It sounds like a W. One. It can be like you sounds like O W O one or it sounds like Y. So it doesn't sound like uh, an vowel. That's why we say a one-eyed man or a one-eyed bird. Okay. So are you clear with this concept? Are you clear with what I'm speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll understand the difference when you have to use a and an. Okay. Now third is going to use the. Now there are rules for the. Now many rules for the. So when will you use the? When you're talking about someone or something we have already mentioned before. Suppose I give you a pencil and then next day I ask you to give me the pencil back. Okay? So you instead of giving my pencil, you give me some other pencil. I've given you red and a new pencil. But you give me one small yellow pencil. So I said, no, I don't want this. I want the pencil I gave you. So you know what particular thing you are talking about. So that particular pencil I want, the definite thing, that is a definite article. Okay. When you're talking about that particular thing, it is a definite article. Then again, there are certain things like the unique things which are in the world. For example, Agra. Taj Mahal is in Agra. Okay. Now, Taj Mahal is only one of its kind in the world. There's no other Taj Mahal in the world. Okay. So, when there's only one like this and it is unique, it is special, it is particular, then we say okay, I want to see the Taj Mahal. Okay, in the same way, when we talk about the sun, we say the sun. We don't say a sun. I saw a sun in the morning. No, because there's only one sun around the universe in the world. So we say the sun rises in the east. We don't say a sun rises in the east. So these are certain rules which, and the has a lot of rules. For example, for mountains, for rivers, we use the Himalayas, the Ganga, the rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna. We don't say a Ganga, we don't say a Yamuna, we don't say a Himalaya. We always say the because they are very rare, special, unique, they're particular. We're talking about something particular. So when it comes to geographical terms, we use the. Okay. Now there are so many other rules. So when you're talking about, I just one second. So when you're talking about rivers, the Nile is a river. If you're talking about Himalayas and mountain ranges, again, it is the Himalayas, okay? Because we know that these are the names of certain rivers, mountains, and islands and all that. So we use the. All of it are paying attention now because remember we are going to this one time only because afterwards we not have time. So be careful, pay attention to what I'm saying. Okay. Then when we talk about something particular, I told you no that when you're talking about something that you know of. Suppose you've given your t-shirt to your cousin sister and you've given a black t-shirt and next day she gives you a white one. You say, no, I want the black t-shirt I gave you. So you know that particular, the definite thing. So that is when you use the. Then suppose you even use uncountable things like milk or water or juice. Then we say, I spilled the juice. I don't say I spilled a juice because juice is not countable. So something which is uncountable, we use the. Okay, I spilled the juice. I filled the water. Do you understand, girls? Yes or no? Would you tell me if you don't understand in the middle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we also use
Ma'am.
the for superlatives. Let me tell you, we use the for superlatives. Now, what is superlative? You'll have done that comparison and comparative and all that, no? Good, better, best, high, higher, highest, tall, taller, tallest. You've done that? Have you
Yes, ma'am.
learned all that? Yes. So when it is tallest, highest, naughtiest, blackest, then you can say the darkest. All these are when it is ending with est, that is the comparative degree, the superlative degree. Only the superlative degree we say the. For example, she is the tallest girl in the class. She is the naughtiest girl in the class. She is the best girl in the class. So when you're talking using superlative, you use the. Okay. Then we also use when we are using adjectives. All of you know what is adjectives? Do you know what is an adjective? Anyone knows what's an adjective? You have forgotten what's an adjective? Girls,
Yes.
adjective is a word that tells you more about the noun. Okay. For example,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, I'm talking about, say, the rich boy. Okay, I'm talking about the rich boy. So, boy is the noun, and how is the boy? Rich. So, we use the. Okay. In the same way, the poor people. The people is noun. And how are you describing the people? Poor. So, in those, when cases of adjectives, we use the. Okay, then when you are using a singular noun, okay, when you're talking about, say, the spider has 8 legs, we're talking about one particular species that has got 8 legs, that is the spider. Okay, for example, we say the dog has 4 legs. Okay, so we're talking about a particular species, that's why we say the dog has 4 legs. Okay. Now, in the same way, you use for countries. Now, in certain countries, you use the, not in all the countries. So, we use the with countries, okay, which has republic in it, kingdom in it, okay, and certain states also. For example, the Republic of China, the People's Republic of China. We use the. When the Republic word comes, the Republic of China. Okay, the United Kingdoms. Okay, when we're talking about any kingdom. So remember, these are all the rules for the. Then we also use the when we're talking about the newspapers. So we say, now what do you have over here? I don't know the names. The Gujarat Samachar. I'm talking about the Gujarat Samachar or the Indian Express or the Times of India when you're talking about newspapers. So you know the names of the newspapers, you talk about them with the. In the same way, when you're talking about famous buildings, as I told you, Taj Mahal, then you can say the Leaning Tower of Pisa, or the Statue of Unity, or the Statue of Liberty. We say the. When you're talking about some famous building or statue or something, then we also use the for organization. Okay. Now, for example, the head of the United Nations in New York. So when there's some organization, we say the organization. Okay. Then we also use the for hotels and restaurants. Now, when you say here, we know that what is the name of some hotel over here? I don't know. It's the lemongrass. I don't know the name, but the just name of hotel is lemongrass. The lemongrass is on this road. When you talk about hotels or restaurants, okay. So you should know that these are the rules which we have to remember when we are using the article. So till now, did you understand what I said to you all of you all? Girls, did you all understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So I want who is the first girl over here in the list? Let me check. Okay, I can't. Anyway, one of you, who is the first girl in the list? Your name must be showing now.
Fatima Zahra Kishwani.
Fatima
Yes,
Zaira.
Yes,
Fatima
ma'am.
Zaira, ask somebody to read. The first girl after you to read the
okay.
article. Hmm.
Okay. Gabrani Zainab Fatima.
Kabrani Zaina Fatima, be fast because we have lots to finish, beta. Can you see the screen? Kabrani Zaina Fatima, you'll have to be fast, beta. Girls, I have explained in general everything about this article. So I hope you find it easy when you read it. Kabrani Zaina Fatima is not reading. I want another girl to read.
Ma'am, can I?
No,
Ma'am,
she's
can I
Okay.
not.
say
Fatima, call out the name.
the
Fatima,
answer?
call out the name. Fatima, call out the name.
Okay. Zainab Patel.
Huh?
Ma'am, can I, Zarin?
Zainab
What is
Patel.
Zainab Patel, please? Be fast, all of y'all. Lots to finish, better. Zainab Patel.
Zainab Patel, start.
Start reading fast. See the screen. Why is she not reading?
I don't know.
Ma'am, can
Okay.
I read Lada Aisha? Ma'am, can I read?
Lada
Okay.
Aisha. Please read Lada Aisha. Lada
Okay,
Aisha, read
ma'am.
fast. Be
Okay.
fast.
The articles
Hmm.
and are used before nouns.
No, beta,
Which
you have to read the phrases. Read these phrases.
what, ma'am?
The screen.
What, ma'am?
Can you see the screen? My screen is presented or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
read from there, beta. Jaldi karo na, beta. Half the time is wasted.
मैम ये जो फर्स्ट लाइन है वहां से करने का है. The articles is and used before nouns beginning with consonant sound. A vowels that resemble the context sound. Ma'am,
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 ma'am left
ma'am
over.
is left.
Yes, left over.
Girls, can you hear me or not hear me? Girls?
Yes.
No, yes, चला गया मैम.
No, I
Yes,
didn't go. I
sir.
didn't go. I didn't go. I was there. I was waiting for y'all to answer.
Oh,
Okay, chalo, doesn't matter. I'm going presenting my screen again. Okay, girls, now can you hear me?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
What had happened? I don't know because I was speaking to y'all, y'all were answering, and suddenly y'all stopped.
Yes.
Okay, doesn't matter. Fatima,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, you
Yes.
read fast, beta. Jaldi, jaldi पढ़ो. Fast पढ़ो. The
Okay,
rest of
ma'am.
you mute your mics. Yes, Fatima, read fast.
Read the phrases. A bird, a
Huh.
hat, a unicorn, a yard,
A
sorry,
one-eyed,
a one-eyed man. The article
one-eyed man.
a
One,
one-eyed man.
not yet, beta. Eyed man.
Eyed man. The articles a and an are used before nouns, which appear for the first
Appear first
time.
time. Hmm.
Appear first time. The article a means a is used before nouns beginning with the
Consonant sounds.
consonant sound,
Consonants
consonant sound, and vowels
that
sorry,
resemble.
and vowels that
Resemble
resemble the
the consonant
consonant
sound.
sound.
Okay, you
Sound.
wait. I'll just explain. As I told you again, we use a before nouns, singular nouns, and it. We also use with words which sound like consonants. As I told you, unicorn and one-eyed man. They begin with U and O. They are vowels, but the sound is different. That's why we use a and an. Okay. Now, come on, continue reading, better.
Okay, ma'am. This we have to not write.
No, no, this you don't have to write. You just because I'm explaining first. Come on, fast.
Now read the phrases.
Phrases.
Phrases. An apple, an eagle, an ice cube, an orange, an umbrella, an R, an honest officer, an angel. The
Eagle,
article
angle.
an angle. The article and is used before noun beginning with the vowel sound and words which begin with the vowel sound.
Okay, then continue the articles.
Okay, the articles a and refer to some ide-
Indefinite. Indefinite.
indefinite person or object. These
Hmm.
are called
Yeah,
indefinite
indefinite.
articles.
Some pronounce it indefinite, some pronounce it indefinite. Now let me explain. Yeah, again you continue after I tell you, okay? An apple, an eagle, an ice cube, an orange, an umbrella, an honest officer, and an angle. Now all of you can see properly. Apple is only one, eagle is one, ice cube is one, orange is one, umbrella is one, an hour is only one hour, and honest officer is one, and angle is one corner. Okay, now before that we use an because they begin with vowels. Apple begins with A, eagle begins with E, ice cube begins with I, orange begins with O, umbrella begins with U, and then an angle begins with an A. But R and honest, as explained before, the sound is like O, but the H is silent. So you use an or this is clear to all of you all.
Yes.
This is okay. Now the article "an" is used before nouns beginnings with a vowel sound. So here again, the vowel sounds are there: apple, ice cube. Before that, we use an, and it is singular. Okay. Now, the articles a and an refer to indefinite person. Now, indefinite means not a particular person. We can talk about anything. I'm talking about a chair. I'm talking about any apple, an apple. I'm not talking about the particular apple that I gave you. I'm talking about any apple. So it is an apple. I'm talking about any eagle. It can be an eagle, any, because we don't know. We just know we can see a bird flying in the sky. So, am I talking about one particular bird? No. I'm talking about a bird. But if I say the bird sitting on the tree fell down, so you know that I was talking about that particular bird which was sitting on the tree and which fell down. So you know the difference now, that when to use a and when to use an and when to use the. And now in honest and r, I already explained that the sound is like a o. That's why we use an. Otherwise, h is silent and h is silent in both. So the article. This is the definition you'll have to learn. The articles a and air and refer to some indefinite person. Indefinite person means not anybody particular. They are called indefinite articles. Okay. Now continue reading better. Fatima, start reading.
Okay, ma'am.
Fatima, fast, fast.
Okay, okay. Read this sentences. They have a storybook. He is a teacher. I stay in a hotel in Chennai. Pass an apricot for the
The
tray.
tray. Hmm.
The articles a and an appear before singular countable nouns.
Okay, let me explain. So read this. Now they have a storybook. Now, how many storybooks are there? One or two? How many storybooks are there? They have a storybook. Can you count the storybooks? How many storybooks are there?
One, because there is
One.
no S.
What better?
Because there is no S.
No better. No. So this is not a plural. This is singular. Okay. He's a teacher. Is he? We are talking about one teacher or many teachers? We are talking about one teacher or many
Teacher.
teachers? One teacher. Okay. I stay in a hotel. Did I stay in many hotels? I stayed in one hotel. So we say a hotel. Pass an apricot. Now, apricot is a fruit. It's a dry fruit. We say. I don't know what you say in Gujarati. Apricot. Okay. Uh, aloo badam, it's an apricot. So pass an apricot from the tray. So you're talking about one apricot you want from the tray. The articles a and an appear before singular nouns. So here we put a and an only before singular things. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Continue reading, Fatima, because the answer is already written. Somebody has sent me this. I don't have the book. Continue reading.
Okay.
Read.
Fill in the blanks with a or an. I read about a one-legged monster.
Now listen, I read, it's not read. I read about a one-legged monster because I explained in the beginning also. One sounds like a V or a W, okay? So we use a, we don't use an, even though there is a vowel. Okay? Come on,
Okay.
next, continue.
B. Mr. Churchill an
Churchill.
English Churchill was an Englishman.
Hmm.
The poor hero in the story was an honest man.
Hmm.
The girls screamed on seeing an octopus.
Hmm.
Lanka
Sri
is
Lanka
Sri
and
Lanka is an island in the
island. It is
Indian
not Island,
island
S is silent. Hmm.
island in the Indian Ocean.
Ocean. Hmm.
She was made an exclusive
She has made an exclusive
had made an exclusive list
list
of of
fruits
fruits to
to be
be
served
served at the party.
party. Hmm.
The cow is a gentle animal. The soldier lost an arm.
Hmm.
I returned home an hour ago. An
Very
hour ago.
good. Okay, is there more? Yes, one more. I had a slice of pizza for lunch. Okay, now the answers are already written here. But if you can do it on your own, I don't know. One boy has sent me the screenshot of this. I mean the PDF. Anybody has got a blank without these, without the answers? Anybody has got a PDF?
Yes.
Can you make a PDF and send
Ma'am,
me to?
I
Send it to me.
have it, ma'am.
Only one boy, one girl, please. Who's going to tell me? To
Ma'am,
who's
can
going to
I
send it?
Balakrishna?
Simon.
Saima, please, Saima. If I don't want the answers because one boy had this and I don't have the book. So I want the PDF of this lesson. Okay. So will you send it to me today, Saima?
Okay, ma'am.
Saima. Okay. And I want to know, did you all write the letter which I sent to you all? Did you all write the letter, the PDF I've sent to you all? All of you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Formal letter and the
Yes,
informal letter.
ma'am.
Formal letter, Rohan sir has given. Informal, I have given. And this will come for the exam, so you'll be prepared. Okay?
मैम
Yes, bolo.
आपने रफ बुक में लिखने का बोला था ना?
No, no, no. But Rohan sir tells you to write in rough book, but I'm telling you to write in a fair book. Make 100 pages fair book and write all these long things, like the essays, the paragraph writing, the diary writing, the notice writing. All these long ones you have to write in a grammar fair book, okay? In the textbook you can write the answers of the short answers, but the long ones that I give you, like write an essay, write a paragraph, write a composition, write something, then all this you have to write in fair book, because see, in the rough book it will get lost, and I want you to make one fair book so it's easy for you to search for it, and moreover when the school reopens I can also check what you've done. So all of you all, please write the formal and the informal letter in your English grammar fair books. Okay. Now we move on because I think we have very less time. 7 minutes are there. Fatima, read. What's your name? Yes, read better. Read.
मैम
Yes, better.
now can I read?
Yes, you can read. What's your name, better?
Malada Aisha.
Aisha, better read fast, better. Time is up now. Be
Okay,
fast.
ma'am. Read this sentence. He is
Sentences.
the boy. Sentences.
I'm
He is he is the boy I met yesterday.
met.
These are the poems I read
Read.
out last week.
It is read out, not read out. Okay. Come on, continue.
Okay, ma'am. The article the the is used to refer to
To someone
someone
or
or
something
something already
mentioned.
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 Mention. Mention.
The definite.
The definite article the refers to a
Specific person.
specific person or object.
Wait, first let me
Rules.
explain. Wait, let me explain. So
Okay,
he
ma'am.
is the boy I met yesterday. I have already explained to you before starting this lesson. So suppose you saying about some girl that you met some girl day before yesterday, or yesterday you met somebody, okay? And then today there's another friend with you. So you tell your friend, she's the girl I met yesterday, okay? You point out because you know that person. So you say, she's the girl I met yesterday. So when we are talking about that particular child, a particular person, then we say the. We use the. Then these are the poems I read last night, last week. Suppose you take a book from the library, okay, and you finish reading, you give it back. But you still want to read it the second time. So you will tell the librarian, ma'am, I want the book I read last week. That is the same book. That is that particular book. So do you all understand where we have to use the? Do you all understand where we have to use the? Girls, I'm asking you a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when there's something particular. Okay, so yeah, now for homework, you'll do this exercise number one. Exercise number
मैम
one.
Okay.
Yes, better.
पीडीएफ
Yes, tell me.
भेजोगे या स्क्रीनशॉट ले ले?
No, see, better. You all have to do on your own. I want you to do this answers on your own because one boy has sent me the PDF. The answers are already there. That's why I asked Saima to send me a PDF without the answers. Okay, you'll have
ओके
to do
मैम.
it on your own. Okay.
Ma'am, what is
मतलब
homework?
मैम साइमा आपको भेज देगी
Yes, better. Saima will send to me.
और
Okay, now
आप हमको
listen.
भेज दोगे?
आप कौन बोल रहे बेटा?
मैम मैं ही रीड कर रही थी वो मलाड आयशा.
Malada Aisha, Saima has said no, she will send me the PDF. Okay.
Okay,
She
ma'am.
will send me the PDF. So anyway, we have. Let me say check if I have 2 minutes time only. So no need. I'll continue with the rules. All of you read the rules and come. All of you must read the rules because there are many rules. See, you can see
Ma'am,
the
which
rules over
page number is this?
in the article lesson. In the article lesson, there are see many rules over here. See page 22 and 23. There are rules. On page 22, you have to complete the exercise in your textbook, and page 22 and 23, the rules are there. So, all read all the rules, learn, understand, and come. Tomorrow, I'm going to ask you orally. All of you understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
now it's time up. I think. I think the time is up
Excuse
now.
ma'am. Excuse
Yes.
me.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta. Tell me.
आपने एसएस के होमवर्क में क्या दिया था?
SS. Where SS? I don't have to give SS, beta. I don't have to give SS.
आज
Huh,
सुबह
beta?
के
I don't.
पीरियड में
Huh?
ma'am,
सुबह
Yes,
के
beta.
पीरियड में
सुबह के पीरियड में SS. SS बेटा, what is SS?
Social
social
science.
science.
हाँ लेकिन